Will Shiba Inu and BONE go up when Shibarium officially launches? The Shiba Inu coin and the cryptocurrency market in general have a pretty rough day today, and the Shiba Inu coin price tests those lows of around 800 points per coin again. Now here is the question I have been seeing a lot lately on social media. Will Shibarium make Shiba and BONE go up in price again? And if so, how high do you think they will go? How long will the rise last? All of those things we will discuss in this video, because yes, I think the excitement surrounding the platform will cause a pump for the price of the currency and BONE, but there is one situation that will be very similar to the action we saw when the beta was launched. The mainnet could cause a more sustained gain, but we need to talk about that. We need to learn from what we saw on the Shibarium test network. So, if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is the first time you are watching one of our videos, we send you a special welcome. We invite you to click the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are going to announce that this channel has a giveaway of 5 million Shiba Inu tokens. To have the chance to participate, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu. The winner will be announced on December 15th. Shannon Bray, North Carolina gubernatorial candidate and prominent tech entrepreneur, is bullish on Shiba Inu. The 50-year-old cybersecurity expert recently said that buying Shiba when it is below 5 zeros is an incredible buying decision. After 5 months of holding above crucial support at 1,000 points since regaining it on January 16th, Shiba Inu was recently hit below the support point in the latest ongoing market-wide downturn. Shiba fell from 1,000 points on May 1st, and all efforts to rise and hold above the zone were met with opposition from bearish traders. However, Bray believes the asset's current position is an attractive buying opportunity. In his recent comments, Bray expressed confidence in the belief that Shiba Inu will once again rise above the position as Ethereum begins a bull run. Notably, Ethereum has also been posting intermittent declines since peaking at $2,141 in mid-April. The asset has declined more than 9% in the past week. To further emphasize the confidence he has in Shiba Inu's bullish outlook, Bray stated that Shiba remains an attractive investment option, whether short or long term. He clarified that he was not paid to defend the asset and that his comments are not a form of advertising. However, these represent Bray's thoughts and should not serve as investment advice. At the time of publication, Shiba is currently trading at 875p, up 1.1% in the last 24 hours. Guys, let's take a look at the price action. Some pretty significant lows, and we're going to talk about that in a second. We've been reviewing it a lot lately, so I don't feel like we should focus on that. But with Bitcoin potentially falling through that 27,000 resistance level, it may be testing or it may bounce. I'm sorry to say, it may be testing 25,000 per coin. If Bitcoin continues to fall, the overall market will continue to fall as well. Ethereum's support levels are below $1,800, and we only had $2,000 per coin a week ago. I mean, when Pepe was going so high and everything was looking good, Ethereum was breaking down. The cryptocurrency market is showing a little more concern and a little more fear. That's transferring to the price of the Shiba Inu coin. According to words from the team, one of the main catalysts will come out soon, but we don't know exactly when. It could be in a month or a year. Likewise, he provided us with a small update, so it looks like things are progressing towards the launch of the main Shibarium network. Now, what did we learn from the launch of the Shibarium test network? People are always buying the rumor and selling the news. We know that the test network is doing very well so far, but BONE soared to over $2 per coin when people were excited about the launch of Shibarium. Shortly after that, the cryptocurrency sold off and dropped below $1 per coin. Now you're looking at the Shiba Inu coin. It actually did very well and shot up from almost 1,200 to 1,500 points per coin, but it dropped after that. So the Shiba Inu coin also got the small upside from the launch of the test network, which is not huge, but you know, a decent 50 to 100% gain from where we are in terms of pricing, and then of course dropping as people sold the news. I think we could see a very similar situation, except it may be a more steady or smaller sell-off after the main Shibarium network, because that's when things get real. People will be excited, they'll be talking about the launch of the main Shibarium network, and they'll be coming back in droves to make sure they buy, sell, and trade coins or BONE. It will be because of the type of event when people, the ecosystem team, unification, or whoever starts hinting at the launch of Shibarium, we might see an increase in the price of Shiba Inu and BONE. This one may go away, as it is the hard part to determine and no one can predict the future, so we don't know how high BONE may go up and whether Shiba Inu coin will go, but what we can see is past performance. Unfortunately, we may be coming off lower lows, and if the price of Shiba Inu coin continues to go down before we get to that hype, it may go back to its higher levels. So when that high starts, it will be important to determine the starting point before finding the end point, knowing that once the mainnet comes out, I think I will see that price tip as people are selling the news, but what could sustain the price action is the fact that BONE will be a necessity at that point. You will absolutely need to use BONE in order to use Shibarium. Likewise, Ethereum is required if you are paying gas fees to buy EC20 tokens or do any transactions on the Ethereum network. You need this token in addition to BONE in your wallet. Can the $2 price go back up? Sure it can, but it also depends on where you start. So, if you know BONE starts from a lower price, it will be harder to go back up to that $2 price. But what we might see is a more sustained price after the mainnet launch than we saw during the launch of the Shibarium test network. However, guys, the cryptocurrency market in general is absolutely plagued right now with indecision, uncertainty, fear, and doubt. All of this is causing prices to drop and investors to move to a safer place or safer assets like banks. When bank accounts pay 5 and 6% per year, it is very hard to justify investing in the stock market, so we will just have to see how things play out here. But I believe the coin and BONE will rise on the launch of the main Shibarium network. Only time will tell if that becomes true. Let us know what you think, and of course, if you expect the rise, I want to know your price predictions in the comments section. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you in a future opportunity to talk about the latest news that concern us all as a community.